Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today, in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can add music on Instagram story. So, let's get started. Firstly, open Instagram app in your device. Then tap on your story. Next, select post which you want to add on your story. Then tap on music. After that, select music of your choice. Then select the part of music which you want to add. Then tap on done. After that, tap on your story. So, this is how you can add music on Instagram story. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you will never miss another update.